We haven't seen this level of rain in the Low Country in 1,000 years. That's how big this is.
Millions in the Southeast are dealing with some of the worst flooding in the area's history. Torrential rain forced hundreds of rescues Sunday in South Carolina.
I'm standing in a sinkhole, and behind me is a tax business that was destroyed when a wall of water rushed through it. There are scenes like this all over the city of Columbia. As calls for help came in yesterday, the water was rising almost at the same time.
People called me from across the nation when they saw the news and asked how I was, and they said, "Do you have food? Is anybody there? Can somebody help you out?" And I said, "You just don't know about the staff here."
Well, they were wonderful. The staff, I didn't even know how they got in here to begin with, but they kept us fed. They kept our apartments clean. It was just amazing what they did. We're so grateful to them.
If there hadn't been TV, we would never have known at Still Hopes that there was a flood. Staff at all levels have been here day and night to ensure that we were safe. Our staff could not have been more caring, more devoted to their responsibilities.
It's the first meal I came to, I thanked every single person that served me. I couldn't believe they came in. I mean, how in the world they came through all that pouring rain and mess, and we didn't miss a meal. They were remarkable. I just can't get over how grand they did.
We appreciate everything that they ever do for a patient who's here because so many times we depend on them.
Thank you is not enough to say to our staff for what you have done. I love you, I cherish you, and I depend on you too.
Well, I would like to thank each and every one, because I know for some of you it was really tough time. Y'all are all great and wonderful, and I'm so thankful to be here and appreciate everything.
Oh, we just appreciate so much all that they did. And well, God bless them. I mean, that was something to come in and all that awful disaster. And I'm sure they had problems at home too that they had to take care of. And yet they thought about us, and that was just really super.
Well, a big thank you. That's really wonderful. That's dedication, concern for their job and the people they're serving in their job. I thought it was just great.
Thank goodness you cared enough about us to be here for us. It meant everything. How they managed to put their own lives aside and care for us was remarkable. Well, I have to choose. Do I want to recite "How much do I love thee? Let me count the ways"? Or do I want to try to sing the Green Acres song, "Still Hopes is the place to be"? Or do I want to say "You're better than the postman" because they didn't work Monday and you did?